Tech Channel. Thank you for joining, coming back to the journey. I know I was gonna do some more videos between my vacation to now, but things have been hectic. Work and I was having too much fun on my vacation. I didn't do as many videos as I wanted to while I was out of town because I was having too much fun with family. So next time I'll have some videos that'll be good enough for me to show up on online here. So I did some stuff with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It came out really good, but I don't want to put them on the video yet because I want to get a little bit better with how it looks then. So the next time I go out there, possibly just by myself without other family, to create those videos again in a little bit better quality. But I was able to create videos with my iPhone 12 looking so good. It looked really good and I love it. I love my Pro Max. I'm glad I got it. It makes high quality video, high quality pictures. And I didn't get to use my GoPro, so the iPhone 12 Pro Max was doing so well. So next time I go out there, I'll use the GoPro. But for now, everything came out really good. I tried to do some slow-mo videos with certain things that we were having fun with. Did not come out as well as I wanted to, or the stuff that we were doing was too fast for the slow-mo. So it was a little funky trying to get the slow-mo at the right time. So you got to mess with the settings and stuff like that, and mess with it a little bit more. And also, and have it in the right frame. And then wasn't really thinking about the position. It looked a little awkward. So I was like, let's not put it on YouTube yet. Let's wait until the next visit where I'm not distracted having fun with family. So family's important, so you want to make sure you don't neglect your family. So I had a lot of fun. So that was good. But I thought I would talk to you a little bit about a new product that I got from my office. As you can see, I've rearranged my office. It's about time too, right? Because I'm trying to make it look a little bit better in the right position for the camera and everything else. Now in front of this desk and the wall, I have to face down. I'll probably use that wall for some of my YouTubing as a backdrop eventually, using the GoPro camera. So that'd be pretty cool. So that's where I'm at right now. So what I got, which was the last week, I got it called the Apex Dex. It's the Elite 71-inch series. If you go to the website, which I'll put in the description, so you gotta check it out. By the way, this is not a paid review. This is my personal review because I think it's a really nice, sturdy stand-up desk, especially with the way it's designed. It's a lot better than the stand-up desk right here that I got that I was using before. And it's not the greatest. And I have problems that some parts are not working right. And the way it's designed, especially with the drive going into the light and in here too. There's something in there that's got a bar and it's got some issues in it that I can't really lift with this manual switch right here. It doesn't work that well anymore, and when I put my mount and my iMac on it, could barely go up at all, so couldn't handle it that well. Even though the description said it could. But the other thing is that I have been messing with this and wasn't really paying attention. I didn't think it would be, because I had the tabs and stuff, I started flipping. It's easy flipping, and that's all, but this is particle board. It's cheap. It's too cheap for the kind of tag for the amount of money I paid for that thing, which is kind of sad. But however, this bad boy here that I got, I'll show you in just a second. So as you can see, I'm looking at that organization and also to prep area for some of the work that I do for my work. So and to put some stuff that's better than that folding table I have back there. Not really professional, I know, but that's okay. So, it's a work in progress because my wife and I have only been in this home for almost 2 years now. So, yeah, it's been I'm sorry, a little bit more than a year. So, It's been a little bit more than a year since we've been in here, so it's a work in progress. So, anyways, so let's get back to talking about the deaths. So, Papa, now that it's bigger and longer than this death back here, which I'm happy about, because now I'm going to do some organization on that. So, this is the Apex Dex. The 71 is Elite Series. So, again, check out the link. So, as you can see, it's completely made of wood and it's really lovely made. And the way it's done with the Adrato in the lens itself, not in the middle. What's in the middle is the master controller that has these switches that are over here on my right side. And the button for memory, the different height that you want to set it on, you can put it up to 4 settings. I got it up to 3 so far. So, one for stand up, one for sitting down, and one for about midway so I can use my stand up desk. And it's entirely using the stand up shirt. So, and then the master controller is electronic, so it's wired and goes to the left. And I think it's a little bit better design and it can handle the weight distribution's a little bit better and can lift things a little bit better. So far, it's supposed to lift up to 200 pounds. I don't even have even close to that, so that's good. I did what, with the mount, the ultra mount and the iMac, I want to say about maybe 45 pounds, I'm guessing. I don't have no way to really measure the weight of all the equipment I have. But the important thing was that the fact, instead of me having to lift by hand, I can ensure that the hydraulics are going to work properly with the electronic control. So, and I also got the cable management tray as an option to put it on the bottom and it tucked away the wires, no problem. I also got the plugs inserted into the ground that also has USB ports in it. Made cable management so much easier. I'm so happy that I did that. And I also have wheels on this desk. That's an option because what if I wanted to just try to move things around, especially if I wanted to make the room bigger to do some YouTubing or basically do some other stuff or switch around the office if I wanted to just for the heck of it. That would make life easy for me. So not having to rely on my wife to help me lift because it can be a little heavy for her. So that's the Apex desk. So be sure to go to the website and you will see that they have some other stuff there. There's another desk that will come up on the first page. Then you go up on it. It's all the laptop desk and it's got touchscreen stuff on it. It's pretty cool. But there's one that I would advise not getting that if you're doing something like this, or you're gonna have a whole bunch of stuff on the desk. That glass, I don't know how strong it is. I haven't really, read through it because I was looking for a bigger desk anyway, and I thought I could hold a bunch of stuff and glass makes me nervous. So, but check this out. 71 inch the Elite Series. It's also a smaller size, but I wanted the 71 inch. So I can have room to put some other stuff up in there. You never know, I might reorganize some stuff over here on the desk as far as the monitor and cable management and all that stuff. You never know. I mean, it's an ongoing process. So that is my Apex desk. So that's the Apex desk. So really cool, right? It's a nice color, matches my room with the colors that I have, so I'm really excited at that modern look. It's really cool. I like modern, I like sci-fi, I like games, and I love Apple. So I think that keeps it within the family, you know what I mean? So, all good. So, that is what I wanted to talk to you about. So, be sure to keep an eye out for more videos. I'm going to talk more about my iPhone 12 Pro Max with the features that I've used at the farm, and I also demonstrate some of those features too. It's really, really cool. I'm really impressed with how powerful the camera was the Zoom and everything else. So we'll talk a little bit more about that in the next video. So keep an eye out for that. Thank you for watching. Subscribe so you can keep up with the journey. So you can see how much better we can get with Final Cut Pro and everything else. So thank you for watching. Make sure you check out that 8packdeck.com link and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.